राष्ट्रीय आनी राज्य महामार्गावसावन 500 मिटरांचेर आशिल्ल्या सोऱ्याच्या दुकानांचेर सुप्रीम कोर्टान बंदी घाल्या. सुमार 2,500 सोऱ्याच्या दुकानांचेर धड ना. कोर्टाचो आदेश चालीक लावपाचे दिशेन तयारी करूंक सरकारान समिती नेमल्या. ते शिवाय हायवे कडची बार्रां साल्वार करूं येता काय ताचोय सरकारी पावंड्यार यत्न चल्ला. गाबो समितीची बिरेस्तारा पणजेंत दुसरी मिटींग जाली. सगळे तालुक्यांक आपलो सर्वे पूर्ण करपाक 28 फेब्रुवारी मेरेन प्राज आसा. फोंडे आनी मडगांवाक आनीक वेळ जाय म्हूण मागताले, मात थारावन दिल्ल्या वेळा भितर तो पूर्ण करचो म्हूण अबकारी खात्यान तांकां सांगलां. गरज पडल्यार चड टिमी धाडात. ज्यादा एक्सायज ऑफिसर दिवंकूय खातें खंय तयार आसा.
आयज मिटींग घेतल्या ती आमी. दिस इज अ मिटींग ऑफ द कोर कमिटी. सो टुडे वी हॅव मेट द सेकंड टायम आफ्टर द कमिटी हॅज फॉर्म. एवरी फोर्टनाइट वी आर सपोज टू मीट and see the implementation of the order of the Supreme Court. So we have actually assessed how much is the inspection done on ground. More or less, I think one Taluka has finished capping, but we are awaiting the full final report. Similarly, Margao and Ponda, I think they're a little bit more, so they require some time. So we put additional teams on that. And second part is that once we get all the data, we'll go ahead with issue of show cause notices. I'm thinking February 20th पासून दिलेले आहे. So more or less, see, some of the talukas have finished, like one Penne has finished. Only they are waiting the report because we have to get the survey reports also. So that they will compile, say, within another 2 or 3 days and send it to us.
हायवेचेर अजून काय बार्राचे बोर्ड आसात म्हूण कागाळी आयल्यात. ते बोर्ड पंचायत वा पालिकांच्या आदारान काडचे म्हूण सांगलां.
Second part what we have discussed is removal of signages and advertisement on the roads. So because we have brought it to the notice of the Director of Panchayats and the Director of Municipal Administration that still we are receiving complaints that boards are still on the roads. So we have told them that you have to strictly implement it, and we have told the police authorities in case they notice any board or any signages which shows availability of liquor, they should be removed forthwith. So take that matter to the Director of Panchayat, the Municipal Administration, and with their assistance immediately remove it. So we should not receive any complaint from anyone that it is still existing. So this was another issue discussed in the meeting.
आतां मेरेन गोंयांत हायवे लागसार 500 मिटरां भितर अशीं 1,912 तालुको समित्यांक मेळ्ळ्यात. हो आंकडो 2,500 मेरेन पावूं येता.
So we have now altogether around I think 1,900 सुमार आयडेंटिफाय जालेले आहा. पेन ओवरऑल.
ओके.
So daily basis आमी तेंकडच्यान रिपोर्ट घेता कित्याक time is very limited. So by 28th we have given them a time limit, so they have finished the audit.
अदमास कितली आसतली बाराची?
2,500 2,500. जे 500 मिटर्सान येता, irrespective of whether it is a 5-star or whether it is a 3-star, all will come. Because the interpretation of the order is that all licenses for sale of liquor. So wherever licenses for sale of liquor has been granted and they come within this 500, we have identified those.
पुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी निलेश परवर.